Hello everyone. Did you know that native speakers also make mistakes while pronouncing the correct name of the countries in Chinese? Today we are going to learn how to pronounce correctly the names of countries in Chinese. At the end of this video, you would be able to say, I am from name of your country. So let's start today's video. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon. 英国 means England. 美国 means America. 法国 means France. 日本 means Japan. 中国 means China. Indo means India. Pakistan means Pakistan. Yunnan means Vietnam. Now let's say I am from Pakistan. I am Pakistani. So I would say 我是巴基斯坦人。我是巴基斯坦人。我是巴基斯坦人。I am Pakistani. Nina and you? Now coming. 你是 and your country name. 人 it means you are saying about your nationality. Thank you so much for watching. 再见。